Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. Today for reading, we are going to complete your favorite part, which is a reading activity where we draw a picture of our favorite part from the book and we write about it. Before you begin, make sure that you write your name up the top. After listening to the story Magic Beach, I want you to think about what your favorite part was. You're going to draw your favorite part from the story and then you're going to write about it. The thing that I really love about the book Magic Beach is that you can picture yourself on a hot summer's day at the beach with your family. You might be swimming, surfing, or splashing in the water. I loved that the children could make sandcastles, enjoy the rock pools, and even go boating and fishing. So for my favorite part, I have drawn a picture from the page where they are building sandcastles. I have also gone on to write about what my favorite part is. My favorite part of the story was when the children played in the sand for hours, digging and building sand castles and towers. It was my favorite part because it reminded me of when I built a sandcastle at the beach with my nephew. I have highlighted the word because I want you to tell us why that was your favorite part. So we don't want you to just write what your favorite part is. We want you to explain why. It's your turn now to complete this activity. Remember to watch the story Magic Beach first, then draw a picture of your favorite part of the book, and then write about it.